What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. In the last time I already have talked about break in the while loop, and in this time I'm gonna show you guys what is continue in while loop and how to use it. In the same way, at first we put the while and text expression and body of while statements with an indentation, and then we put a if and if condition in the while loop. And we also put the continue with an indentation in the if condition. Alright, let's take a look how does continue work, and let's see the flow control of continue in while loop. At first, it enters the loop, and the program will evaluate the text expression of loop. If it was false, it will exit the loop, or if it was true, it will go to the continue. And the program will evaluate the continue is yes or not. If it was not, it will go to the remaining of body of loop and go to the text expression of loop and go to the continue again. If it was yes, it will pass the remaining body of loop and go to the text expression of loop and go to continue again. Alright, it is the flow control of continue in while loop. And let's demonstrate it. Well, at first we set I equals 0, and we set a while loop I smaller than 10, and I equals I plus 1, and we print I, and we go out of while loop, print and execute it. It iterates 1 to 10 and go out of the while loop. It prints end. And in this case, I'm gonna show you guys how to use continue. We put the if condition in while loop here. If I equals 5 and continue. Alright, let's execute it and to see what will happen. As you can see, the 5 disappears. If I equals 5, the program will pass and go back to the while again. So I equals 5 is passed. Alright, it is very simple, right? Today we have talked about continue in while loop and how to use it. If you like this video, please keep thumbs up, share this video and subscribe. See you next time.